Wow, that's a good snorkeling right here. Oh, oh my god. I went way over there. Oh. I didn't know I can swim that far.